In the beginning, there was darkness. The world was without form, without sound, without color. But within the shadows stared the promise of light, the whisper of a song, the beginning of a journey. From the depths of silence, the first voice rises, raw, defiant, and ancient.
The king and his men stole the queen from her bed and bound her in her bones. The seas be ours, and by the power where we'll roam. All hands, hoist the colors high. Heave ho, thieves and beggars, never shall we die. Now some are dead and some are alive, and others sail on the seas with the keys to the cage and the devil